Grandma!
Sweetheart, I'm so glad to see you. I took the train all the way from Oklahoma. Oh, when I was young, I used to travel a lot. Oh, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
God!
Aren't you gonna ask me how was my vacation from the biggest country in the world?
Oh, how was it? How was your vacation?
It was great. It was so cold there. And look, I even bought one of the big furry black hats from there.
Oh my
So
God,
great.
that looks like one of my old cats on your head. Come back. Back!
Gotta beat the bush then.
Oh, let me show you a dance when I was your age. When I was 18, I used to wear this to church every Sunday. And everyone's like, oh my God, you're so beautiful, Bernice. And I used to dance for the church. I would be like, shibbity wop wop, shibbity wop wop, shibbity wop wop, going down. Anyways, I'm gonna break a hip. Let me sit down and I'll talk to you, sweetheart. Oh, that's heaven. So, how have you been?
I don't know, Grandma. I heard you did something really bad while I was away.
What was that?
Well, let's see. I called here in the U.S. a couple weeks ago. Our neighbors didn't get their pizzas.
Oh, the dogs are hungry. I took those pizzas and I fed all the hobos because they're... No, you can't do that. I fed all the hobos because he was knocking on my door with his pants off. It's like, ah! I'm like, what do you want? What do you want from me? And he was like, I want some pizza, 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 pizza. Fine. Here. Anyways. And then his wife popped out without a shirt on. I was like, ah! So I gave her a pizza too. Anyways, I'm gonna go to Shaky's Pizza now. Goodbye, sweetheart.